Hello, Michael.
Hey, hi, Kevin. It has been a while.
Absolutely. So I hear that there are some exciting updates in Ingram Micro lately, and I was wondering if you and the team could bring me through them?
Yes, absolutely.
What is this interesting Ingram Micro COE that we have been hearing?
Okay, this is a team that Ingram Micro brought together to provide best-in-class marketing services, vendor management, solution architect, a technology experience center, and services. Okay, to support our vendor and partner. And the focus of the Center of Excellence basically is to create go-to-market solution, business use case, training, resources, and enablement as well.
Ah, okay. So what is this Technology Experience Center about?
Come, let me show you the Technology Experience Center. Okay, the Technology Experience Center is a multi-vendor solution and infrastructure demo and POC center. Okay, we have a team of solution architects that have expertise in cloud, cybersecurity, data center, open source, RPA, and collaboration. Okay, what this team of solution architects, what they do is they come together and they create aggregated solution for demo and POC. And this allows our partner and vendor to deliver POC and demo to their end customer. Okay.
So Michael, this has been really exciting, but what can our partners benefit from this platform?
Well, a partner can leverage on the TEC platform to present, to deliver POC and demo to the end customer. Okay, and they can use the multi-vendor solution, okay, to engage the end customer and to upsell and cross-sell. Okay. And this allows them basically to be able to present a more complete solution, okay, and thus creating a larger opportunity for themselves. Correct. And Kelvin, this platform basically allows our partner technology to grow faster and to do more as well.
Nice. So actually, can our partners use the TEC for training and demo practices?
Yeah, sure. This can be arranged.
Brilliant.
Okay, Kevin, this is the Technology Experience Center for APAC.
Very nice. So let's talk about Ingram Micro's cybersecurity practice and services.
Okay, Ingram Micro, we have a strong cybersecurity practice and consulting services team across APAC. Okay, we have consultants who have years of experience in security, advisory, solution design, implementation, and support. Okay.
So what kind of cybersecurity solution experiences can we offer to our partners?
Okay, to name a few, we have domain expert in endpoint protection, EDR, SIEM, SOAR, CASB, network security. And we also have a team of security advisory consultants that can conduct security assessment exercise, vulnerability assessment, and penetration testing as well.
Interesting. You mentioned about cloud, open source, RPA, and collaboration. How does all of these come together with cybersecurity for our resellers?
Okay, so this is a good question. A lot of the business and end customer, besides cybersecurity, they will need to also operate and run efficiently and cost efficiently as well. This is where automation with open source and RPA comes about. And this is where our solution architect, with the end customer needs in mind, design an aggregated solution for the reseller to take to market.
Ah, so our reseller are also, probably quite concerned if we are competing against them for services. What is your view on this?
Yes, Kelvin. We hear the concern. Okay, Ingram Micro, we are 100% channel focused. We do not compete with our vendor and reseller. Okay, our services is to complement our reseller opportunity to market.
So if our partners and customers want to engage with Ingram Micro solution architect and services, how can they do that?
Okay, we can come together in this technology experience center, or we can huddle virtually because of the current pandemic situation, together with our solution architect, our services specialists. Okay, we will then look at the end customer problem statement, and then we'll design a solution, and we'll leverage on this technology experience center to put in place a POC to validate the solution, and then to work out the deployment process as well. Okay, and this is where we are helping the reseller and the vendor, okay, especially the reseller, to grow their technology faster and to do more as well.
Interesting. So Michael, what's next for us now?
Okay, Kelvin, since this morning we talked about collaboration and open source, correct? Let me introduce you to an expert and share with you our Open Source Center of Excellence. Come.
All right, let's go.
So Kelvin, Chandra is our APAC expert in open source. Let me introduce you to Chandra.
Okay.
Hey, Chandra. Kelvin would like to find out more from you about the Open Source Center of Excellence. Okay, so I'll leave Kelvin with you.
Sure.
Hey Chandra, nice to see you. Perhaps like Michael said, can you tell me more about, Open Source Center of Excellence?
Yeah, sure. Ingram always want to deliver better technological solution with open source to deliver the more stable, more secure, innovative solutions, right? Yeah.
So in terms of use cases and integration for open source, well, what are some of the use cases?
We have many solutions that's including especially from automation. We do have the security automation, public cloud automation, satellite integration, Windows and Linux integration, so on and so forth. Yeah, so very soon we will be installing OpenShift in our lab, so it will be ready for us very soon.
Interesting. Well, for partners that want to grow their technology practice with us faster and do more with our Open Source Center of Excellence, what's your best advice for them?
Okay, in our lab, we do have many integrations that including Cisco, Palo Alto, public cloud, Windows, Linux, so on and so forth. So we are doing the hands-on delivery with the APAC region. So this APAC candidate delivering the technology solution with partners, and partners can reach out to the customers. So we are trying to identify the customer solution and trying to reach out through partners.
Interesting. So Chandra, actually I'm trying to find out who I can speak to regarding cloud and modern data center. Do you know who I can look for?
Yeah, we have Maithun, our solution architect. Let me introduce her.
Okay, let's go.
Hi May.
Hi Chandra.
This is Maithun, our solution architect.
Hey mate, great to see you. So, I had a chat with Chandra and earlier with Michael, and Michael shared something about cloud and data center within Center of Excellence. So perhaps can you share with me more about the current trends and what's happening in modern data center?
Yeah, the public cloud adoption rate has tremendously increased due to the pandemic. Aside from that, the infrastructure providers are also trying to move towards the hyperscale consumption-based data center as a service model. What they're trying to do is that trying to change the way of providing services so that customer could have the better cloud experiences around cost, control, and simplicity. We also see that the server CPU innovations are also skyrocketing. That will open up the new use cases and also the new services opportunities. So we see that there is no decrease in demand for the data, and as well as increasing demand for the colocation and hybrid clouds. We foresee that the data center market will still be growing over the next several years.
Right, then what are the key attributes of a modern data center?
Yes, modern data centers should be designed to be agile and service-oriented IT models, and it should be software-defined, highly virtualized, highly automated, and also be scaled as needed. It should also provide a consistent operational model so that you can seamlessly extend your reach across from private to public clouds. It should also support the cloud-native apps, container technologies, and also microservices-based architecture to drive faster innovations. Lastly, it should also be building with the security to protect the data and also to meet the compliance requirement.
So how can Ingram Micro help then, in this world of modern data center?
Yes, we are here to help our partners and customers to have the best of breed solutions, integrating with the various technologies from our vendors. And here we are also providing the proof of concept, proof of value solutions in our Ingram Micro JEC to our partners. So we are here to walk through with our partners to this journey of modernizing the infrastructure, delivery of automation, and extending to the public cloud, and also enhance on the security.
So, well, listen, it's a lot of information that's really useful, so thank you both so much.
No problem at all.
All right, I gotta make a move, so goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.